to me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, baby, I'm worth it.
I know what you're thinking.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is not as it
Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make super cool edited Musical.ly. You'll be needing Musical.ly and Video Star. Sometimes you'll need iMovie, but today we're just using Musical.ly and Video Star. So let's get on to the Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay. See you guys in the screen recording. So you're going to be going to TikTok, and yeah, there's my home screen, but you're going to be looking up your sound. Usually I get my sounds from Sass Wars, so I looked up Sass Wars. Yep, and sorry, it's kind of blurry. So I looked at a couple. I looked at a couple of videos, but I eventually found which video I liked.
Wait, you thought this was no need to go down.
And then I
Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, baby, I'm worth it. That's all I wanna do. I'm worth it. If I can say it's true, give it to me, I'm worth it. I'm gonna give it to you, give it to me, I'm worth it.
but I don't post it. It just goes on the posting page, and then you just press X, and it's in your thing. So now you're going to go to your camera roll. There's me. And I don't know what I was doing here. I was just laughing, I think. I'm going back to my camera roll.
Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while.
But I also tried to send it to my dad, but it was just too weird. But I ended up sending it to my dad. And yeah. And now you're going, and I listened to it one more time. And then you're going to go on the slow-mo section of it. So now you're going to videotape yourself. Sorry my room's a little bit messy, but I find a place to do it, and I was checking if it was sending, but it didn't send until like 2 minutes after I finished the Musical.ly. So you're going to go to the slow-mo, and you're going to find a good place to place your camera. You're going to turn it around and press on your face a couple of times to make sure that it really do it focuses, but then you're gonna press it beforehand. This is my back camera. I was just fixing something. Okay, and then I moved a couple of things and I ended up videotaping it. But if you want to send it to someone and just listen to it, but I ended up doing it twice because some of my hair flips don't turn out good the first time, so I'm doing it a second time. And then you don't have to wait until the song ends or something because of the slow-mo. I watched it one time, but I just end up editing it immediately. And you have And to be able to like do it the first time, you're gonna edit where the slow-mo is, and then you're gonna cut it out after you pick where the hair flip is. So I liked how that looks, so I'm going to save the video, and then I'm going to go to VideoStar. I love this app so much. I actually paid for some effects because I like it so much. You're going to press the plus button,
Show me what you got now.
sounds, and then pick your video that you saved. You're going to press save video and then import video. You're going to press your videos and press your slow-mo. Then you're gonna press import, and I said,
Show me what you got now. Come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, baby, I'm worth it.
because sometimes I've had to do it like 5 times because I said it too fast. Now you're gonna push edit, split scene, and you're gonna pick where you want where
To
the
me,
hair
I'm
flip is. You can
Give it to me,
but I just like editing the hair flip, and then you're gonna split scene, and then re-effect the clip. Now this is where you can go crazy with stuff. I'm eventually going to use this, but at the moment it wasn't working how I did it, so I'm using a different thing. I'm just scrolling through all of them. So I played around with a few things. But I almost did the blue, but I didn't want to do the blue. Still playing around with filters. And then I ended up going back to the purple, and it actually worked this time. Then you're going to push re-effect clip, and you can control it. If you pick, but if you want to re-effect it, it will do it to a bunch. You're gonna press the plus sign again. I'm gonna go to the running thing and go all the way to the back. That's where you can switch it. I think that's, yeah. Or maybe I'm wrong. Never mind, I'm wrong. Press that one, with the dots. With the square, and you're gonna go all the way to the back. And it's gonna be this squish, or this swoosh thing. It's like all the way at the back. That's wiggle. You can do that, but you can also just search wiggle on it as well. There's a bunch of different effects. But the effect that I just picked is the one that I don't remember the exact name of it, and you're gonna push re-effect clip, and you're gonna do the. I was a little bit confused here, but you're going to press the side. You guys could see here in a second. So then I'm eventually going to figure out which one where it was. That, and then you're just gonna press it, like if you want to switch it, and that's
Show me what you got now. Come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, baby, I'm worth it.
Then press new re-effect again and go to that wiggle effect that you saw earlier. Or if you see that magnifying glass, you can also search up wiggle and it will work too, but I just go all the way to the back sometimes as well. So wiggle is right there, and you can choose how much you want it to wiggle. I chose like in the middle, so it's not too much. But
Show me what you got now. Come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, baby, I'm worth it.
this is without the music, but you guys saw it in the beginning. And then you're gonna push merge scenes, start at the very beginning and set and at the very end, and merge together, and then share video with music, and then you're saving it, and then you're gonna push save video, like, because it saves to camera. Automatically saves, and then going to go to Musical.ly, and go to the sound that your Musical.ly was, and then go to, like, the film, and then go to the, where you can pick the clips, and then import it, and then press the volume, and press original sound all the way back. But I usually do the other one all the way up, because it sounds so weird, and that's how you do it. And then just put your caption. I put that the tutorial for this is gonna be coming up soon, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, and then just post it. That's Brookberry. That's where I get like all of my tutorials almost. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I know it was a weird video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys thought it was different, and I hope you guys thought it was cool. And if you guys want more videos just like this, make sure you guys comment down below. And I hope you guys liked. There's going to be 2 videos going up. This one's going to be going up before yesterday's video. So yeah, I vlogged me getting my nails done, so, or like the whole yesterday. So if you guys would like to see that, it's gonna be coming up soon. So yeah, bye guys.